gentlemen, I have 4 of my favorite movies right here. First one, 3 Idiots, because इसने हमें सिखाया कि काबिल बनो, कामयाबी झक मार के पीछे आएगी. घोसला का घोसला because of its comedy, मुन्ना भाई MBBS because of its मस्ती, and हम भी है जोश में.
बातें कर होश में क्यों ना.
You get it? देखिए आपने ये चारों मूवीज देखी है? Yes. Okay, now you write there some. What's your name?
Me?
Yeah.
आयुष.
आयुष किसके साथ आए हो आप? सिस्टर, फ्रेंड. बॉलीवुड में कुछ भी होता है guys. आयुष, you have to select one of the movies. आप कौन सी मूवी सिलेक्ट करोगे?
बताना है.
गाइस मुझे ना लोगों से बातें करना भी पसंद है. ऐसा हर बार मैं माइंड रीड ही नहीं करती. आई लाइक टू टॉक गाइस. ठीक है, बताना. हाँ आयुष, मैंने पूछा, आप बताओ.
मुन्ना भाई.
मुन्ना भाई MBBS. रियली आयुष?
यस.
मुझे पता था आप मुन्ना भाई MBBS ही चूज करोगे. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. दिस अंकल डजंट ट्रस्ट मी. आई विल प्रूव इट टू यू. मुझे पता था कि यू विल सिलेक्ट दिस मूवी. आई विल प्रूव इट टू यू. मैंने पीछे लिख के रखा है. यू विल चूज दिस. हाँ,
सबके पीछे लिखा.
सबके पीछे. अंकल क्या हुआ था यार आपके साथ? आप भरोसा करते ही नहीं हो लोगों पे. इतना मतलब यार, इतना मैंने माइंड रीड कर दिया, सलमान आमिर का कर दिया, 500 से ऊपर रील्स बना दी. सर को भरोसा नहीं है कि मैं माइंड रीड कर सकती हूँ. यू आर राइट, सबके पीछे लिखा हुआ है. लेट्स गो. यू विल चूज मुन्ना भाई MBBS.
मैं सुई को अपनी नाक में घुसा के देखता हूँ, शायद हो जाना चाहिए. ये तो टूट गया. एक हरा मुर्गा फंसा. तेरा क्या होगा?
फिल्मों की दुनिया में कितना जादू है. हीरो हीरोइन के मिलने को हम जादू कहते हैं, और ऋतिक के नीले एलियन को भी हम जादू कहते हैं. जब इस देश का सबसे स्ट्रिक्ट पिता अपनी बेटी को बोलता है, जा सिमरन जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, तब जादू हुआ था. या जब भुवन ने आखिरी ओवर के आखिरी बॉल पे छक्का मार के टीम को जिता दिया, तब जादू हुआ था. या तब जब एक लड़की पहली क्लास में स्कूल छोड़कर आज देश की सबसे पसंदीदा मेंटलिस्ट बनकर आपके सामने खड़ी है. तो अगर आज आपको कुछ क्रेजी ड्रामेटिक दिख जाए तो भाई वो तो हमारी फिल्मों का असर है. और अगर कोई फिल्म को देखकर आपको अपने प्यार का एहसास हो जाए तो डेटिंग एप्स पे जाओ, आप बहुत ही सिंगल हो भाई. हमारा आज का शो इज अ ट्रिब्यूट टू आवर वेरी ओन बॉलीवुड. तो लाइट्स, कैमरा, एक्शन के लिए तैयार? लेट्स गो. वेलकम टू द सुहानी शो. आज है ना, मैंने अपने आप को कमिट कर दिया है, किसी व्यक्ति को नहीं. और यू नो दिस, अब एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं एग्जैक्टली. एंड हियर इज माय कमिटमेंट. अबे पोस्टर कुछ हाथ खाली दिखा रहा है. दैट्स माई कमिटमेंट. ओके, आप सबके फेवरेट एक्टर्स होंगे, एक्ट्रेसेस होंगी, आपकी लाइफ में वो फेवरेट मूवीज होंगे. ठीक है, आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू थिंक ऑफ योर फेवरेट एक्टर्स, और इवन अ रैंडम एक्टर इज फाइन. जस्ट गेट अ एक्टर, एक्ट्रेस इन योर माइंड नाउ. Can you give a mic to somebody here? Anybody? Ma'am, you have an actor's name in your mind. It could be an actor, actress, anybody. Do you have it?
Yeah.
It's your favorite actor?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you be surprised if it's the same actor?
Yeah, of course.
You will be, right? Get ready, ma'am. What's your name?
Sneha.
Sneha. Look, I think this will be crazy. You say the actor's name, we take the cloth away. People go wild. Ready? 1, 2, 3, now!
Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh no! Go guys, उल्टा! अबे नहीं यार, तुम क्या कर? I said I had committed myself. Hello, please. I said I had committed myself.
स्वागत 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 स्वागत. आइए तमाम देवी सज्जनों को आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है। मैं आप सभी लोगों का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करता हूं कि आप हमारे शो में आए।
मेरा शो है।
हम एक बार जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है देवी जी।
हाँ मतलब पर ये लोग सर मेरे को देखने आए।
आप हमें बताइए
हाँ
कि हमारा फेवरेट डायलॉग कौन सा है।
मुझे क्या पता।
हम आपको 4 ऑप्शंस देते हैं।
ओके
ऑप्शन ए, नो मीन्स नो।
सही बात।
ऑप्शन बी, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है हमारा शहंशाह। ऑप्शन सी, जब तक बैठने के लिए नहीं कहा जाए शराफत से खड़े रहिए। और ऑप्शन डी, परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन।
ओ हाँ नहीं यू से his favorite dialogue.
Should I say it?
Yeah. I like my audience is very trained, but guys, you have to say it. Yes.
I think option B. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं।
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं।
सही जवाब, 7 करोड़।
क्या ताली बजा रहे हो आप लोग? रुको। साथ ये कुछ भी बोलते आप बोलते सही जवाब।
देवी जी, काम डाउन, काम डाउन। आप अपने सीट के नीचे देखिए।
मेरी सीट?
जी बिल्कुल, सीट के नीचे देखिए आप।
Oh my God.
Show it to everybody. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं। 7 करोड़। That is amazing. Thank you so much.
All at once, yeah.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर आपका स्टेज पर आने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को सर्दियों का ऐसे ऊपर नहीं देखना पड़ा। आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट वे।
थैंक यू। आप लोग ने याद किया उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सभी लोगों का मैडम जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मिलते हैं बहुत जल्द एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद। तब तक के लिए प्लीज डू टेक गुड केयर ऑफ हेल्थ। बाय बाय, गुड नाइट, शब्बा खैर, सी यू सून।
And magic, magic.
इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू प्रिपेयर अ शो। मूवी बनाने में तो उससे भी ज्यादा टाइम लगता होगा। मुझे पता है कभी कभी सालों लग जाते हैं एक पिक्चर बनाने में। वो पिक्चर हम फ्राइडे को जाके देखेंगे, हम रिजल्ट दे देंगे, अच्छी हुई के बुरी
It is
हुई।
ridiculous. You make me sit backstage for half an hour till you do this bloody crappy bloody stuff. And these kids, आजकल के बच्चे हमें सिखाएंगे how to make a movie. Is this what? Hey, listen, I'm going. Bye bye. Hey, you don't pay. You call me as a guest appearance. It's not even a glass of water. Right? A cup of coffee has been asked, offered.
Cut this mic.
Stop. So sorry, yeah. Don't push me on stage. Whatever you do, don't push me on stage.
Hello, sir. Welcome on stage.
Is a paid audience.
No, sir. Sir, they love you,
Then why
sir.
are they No, they're clapping for me. I was talking, why were they clapping for you? Anyway, sorry. It's a joke. It's a joke. वो ये सिखाएगी हमें पिक्चर कैसे बनाना. Just
Sir,
want to
मेरा
ask you, one sec, before we go ahead, do I call you Suhani or do I call you Suhani Ji?
Sir, मतलब आप
I was joking, idiot. You say. All right. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is completely unrehearsed, as you know. But please, everybody, put your hands together for the one and only Bamani Rani. Yeah, thank you.
I should leave, guys.
And then what will I do alone on stage? I have no idea what to do. Yeah, no.
No, sir.
I'm pulling her leg. She's a darling.
I wish I was taller. Though.
I wish you were many things, but never mind. Go on. Having a good time? You're clapping because I'm making fun of someone. Meanie. And who's this guy sitting next to you? Okay, I accept. So, honey,
Yes, sir.
you were telling them picture कैसे बनाना, ऐसे बनाना, वैसे बनाना, बहुत टाइम लग जाता, बहुत मेहनत. तेरे को क्या मालूम पिक्चर के बारे में?
Of course.
हाँ?
कैसे?
मैं बताता हूँ पिक्चर कैसे बनते हैं. Okay, anybody else wants to know how to make a movie around here? It doesn't take too much time. It's not a big problem.
Doesn't take too much time.
No, it doesn't. Don't worry.
You made Mehta Boys.
It took a lot of time.
Yes.
All these people who are laughing, have you all seen Mehta Boys? Yes. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. More than that, I need just fake it. Say, have you seen Mehta Boys? Yes. Bloody lying crowd. Paid crowd के साथ ऐसे ही होता है यार. Anyway, so let me. So honey,
Yes,
let's
yes,
get
sir.
the act together, man.
I want to make a movie. You tell me how to make a movie.
First of all, you need a director and assistant. Get me an assistant director or a director.
सर हमारे पास डायरेक्टर का एक बजट है, वही असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर, वही सब कुछ.
मेरे पिक्चर में भी वही हालत था. Call him, whoever it is.
डायरेक्टर सिमू, yes, सिमू.
He's your director? Don't laugh like that. It's a low budget film. What are you expecting? Simu, go and get me a paper pencil. Hurry up, move it.
Paper pencil.
Yeah. I asked for a paper pen. You need an optician, just by the way. Paper pencil, laga do.
Yeah.
And who's this
Sir,
guy with you?
In the mask, sir.
Scaring me, you know that. ठीक है, okay.
अबे चुप जा यहाँ से. Yes, sir. Sir, ready.
Okay,
Yes.
write down. You'll be writing down?
Sir, center stage, no
मैं center
star.
stage पे आता हूँ.
You are the star. Yes.
Okay. First, you got to put down. Do you have get a stopwatch?
Sir, my phone.
Not a phone, a stopwatch.
Sir, इसी में
Stopwatch होता है phone पे. Anyway, and start your time now. First of all, making a film. We got to first decide while making a film what the genre of the film is. So
Genre.
Yeah. So do we ask the audience the?
Genre.
You know how to spell genre. You're purposely doing that nonsense, right?
Genre.
Yeah, I know that. You know how to spell genre, right? So that's how you spell genre. Right, good.
You don't spell it like that?
Either she doesn't know to spell or she's got a lousy sense of humor. Okay, let's. Genre. Okay, so we ask the audience to decide the genre.
Yes, let's do that. Random.
What are the genres that you could decide it could be?
पीछे
Horror?
एकदम.
Go ahead.
किसको मिला पेपर बॉल भाई? Random. Okay, let's go. Give me a genre.
Action.
Anyone else?
You go
You want to
with
go for action?
action. Action movie बन रही है.
The next thing we got to figure out is we need an actor.
Yes.
We need an actor.
मिनट हो गया.
1 minute हो गया. Running commentary Harsha Bogde से लूँगा. You take it easy.
So,
Okay.
yes, sir.
They're clapping for my stupid jokes. I love it, man. I love it. We need an actor. So let me have a choice of actors. Come on.
I'll give you. I have
You got a choice
cue
of
cards
actors?
for actors, sir.
As you may realize, my friends, we've not taken the trouble to rehearse this act. You can see.
Sir,
Okay,
clearly.
cue cards. The first ones come out. Sunil Shetty. Should we go for Arjun Kapoor? No. That was not nice. That was really not nice. That
Sir,
really-
I can make them select.
Select.
I'll come to you. No, we can randomly select.
तो चलो select करो ना. Don't
हाँ,
waste
तो
my
random
time.
होना चाहिए. लोग select कर. Okay. Anybody, just anybody come. Just touch the back of any card. This or this, whichever you want. This is Ayushmann Khurrana.
Nah, I want someone else.
Okay, let's go. Exactly this. This is Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Not for this kind of movie. I was saying, yes, Petre ki, you know why?
क्या?
I just printed so it just feels fair. When I said actor, I meant me. Why waste time?
Why waste time?
Why waste time?
सर पहले ही बोल देते सर.
लिख लो मेरा नाम. Are you all happy with the choice, guys?
बमन ईरानी.
And now we have come down to a movie title, maybe?
Movie title, yes sir.
We need a movie title.
I have movie titles options. I have a book, big book of movie titles, sir. Movie titles.
Okay.
जब तक है Wi-Fi. No, there are more options. ये जवानी है सुहानी. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Student of the Jurassic Park. राजी राइडर, बद्रीनाथ की वंडर वुमन, एक था टफी, कहानी बिगिंस,
Oh,
रॉक ऑन जुरासिक. Sir, we have many funny also. Jolly LLB Reloaded.
just select any one, no?
We'll let audience decide.
Audience decide. Which one did you,
You
like?
can call anyone on stage, sir. Just call them.
Come on stage. Someone come on stage.
You
Who's
call,
coming
sir.
on? I'm not
Anybody.
used to this, but see how.
Anybody, throw the paper
come
ball,
on
guys.
stage.
Let it
Come
be
right here. Come on
random.
stage. Come on.
Sir, three people stood up. You decide. All women stood up.
Come. What's your name, dear? Tushaba met me in the elevator, and she took a selfie and even paid for it. So that's why she's on stage. What was that Suhani thing?
ये जवानी है सुहानी.
After 15 years, it won't ring as well. Tushaba?
So Shaba, I want
select
you
the
to
title?
open the book to any page. Whatever page you open to will be the page we select. Let's go. Anyone?
You want to say something?
मैंने नहीं लिखा है ये.
शोले भटूरे. दिस अगर एक पहले पेज रहता तो जॉली LLB रीलोडेड, और अगर एक पेज हम बाद में ले लेते इट वुड हैव बीन हाउसफुल ऑफ द कैरिबियन, बट वी हैव चूजन
We have chosen Sholay Bhature.
शोले भटूरे. थैंक यू सो मच. राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.
Sholay Bhature. How much time?
मैं अभी स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ.
बोलो ना, जब बोलने के का वक्त आता है तब तू बोलता नहीं.
42427.
24 seconds. Let's go.
All
Ready?
right.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we've come to the stage of this act where we kind of backstage decided that we'll be doing something like this and improvise and pull the sweet man's legs. Yeah, you can stay there. Don't worry. You're the director. This is what we had worked on.
सर हमने ये भी प्लान नहीं किया था, मैं बस बता रही हूँ, आपने बस अपना ही किया है.
They should feel that we are not so good at improvising that we, other they think, "Are इतने genius लोग हैं?" How they came on stage and tuck, one after the other, the jokes came flying out. They were rehearsed. So, but till now, we did ये सब करना है.
Yes, sir. We have movie.
kind of mota had figured out. Now we are on stage and I have absolutely no idea what's going to happen next.
Sir.
Yes.
On your back.
You stuck
To your
something
back.
on my back.
Let's do
You
your
stuck
back.
something.
Let's do the back.
You're standing next to stupid, that kind of stuff.
No.
Kick me on the bum, that kind of stuff. What have you stuck on my back? Oh, shall I turn around? You want me to turn around? Shall I turn? No, let me turn around. Shall I turn around? Okay, on the count of 3, I'm going to turn around, ladies and gentlemen. The drum roll has started. 1, 2, and... What?
Sir,
I was
that's
not
not
supposed
what
to
I
turn.
meant.
What did you mean?
I just meant that, I was not trying to make it embarrassing. What I actually meant was that it's on your back.
What's
It's
on
like
my back?
to your back. It's on your back.
Oh! Amazing. I have never seen anything like this in my life. I'm brought to tears. We have a lousy poster designer. We have me in the center. You printed it while we were talking.
Important point. You first chose Ayushmann Khurrana, which you reject, and then you chose Nawazuddin Siddiqui. It was your choice. You could have chosen anything.
Which I rejected.
Yeah, clear.
Oh, they are rejected. Oh, no. These are such wonderful actors. Give them a big hand, yeah. They are such wonderful
Yeah.
actors.
Sir, when is this movie releasing?
Hopefully not in my lifetime. And hopefully, who's going to be the director of this movie? Please leave the stage now. Now your time.
But you know what, sir? We timed this whole act, like your making of the movie part. That came out to 4 minutes 24 seconds.
Right.
Correct, sir?
Right. Correct.
4th is what? The month. April. 24th, let's take the date. Revenge is best served hot in cinemas. 20 Act 4. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm not going anywhere.
You know, I don't
I'm
want
getting a chance to talk, man. At home, I'm married 41 years. I don't get to talk at all anymore. Allow me to talk, ladies and gentlemen. Can I hang around for some more time? Okay, then. See you. Good night, everybody. I truly admire this young lady. I truly do. This is not a joke. They think the punchline is about to come. I truly admire her. She's been at it for how many years?
30 years.
30 years, and she's only 32, right? Can you imagine her devotion to her craft, the way she works, her personality, the way she engages an audience? And I am a big, big supporter of any artist. So, and for her, I will always stand by your side. Whenever you need me, I'll be here.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for doing this. Just one last thing. You've made movies, you've acted, you've done a lot of things in life. Is there somebody, ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति, कोई किताब, कोई व्यक्ति, कोई movie, कुछ भी, जिसे आप inspire होते हो? Don't say it. Look, when I don't want you to say the answer, I will tell you. Don't say the answer.
I don't need to say the answer.
No, you just think about the answer in your mind.
All right, I thought about it.
Sir, mentalist, sir.
No, don't put yourself down.
I'm going to try and figure that name out of your mind.
All right?
Can I touch your shoulder?
Right shoulder. My good angel sits here.
Hand on the shoulder. Think of the name in your mind. Whoever, whatever. This is the person you're thinking of, not
That's
a book or a
right.
movie.
It's a person.
Okay, say the person's name in your mind.
Said it.
Sir, Parsi to Parsi.
Parsi to Parsi.
Are you thinking of Ratan Tata, sir?
Close enough.
J.R.D. Tata.
Yeah, that's right. She does this every time.
J.R.D. Tata.
She does this every time. There's another reason why I'm here.
Oh,
And,
really?
yeah, there's another reason why I'm here. Some months ago, I don't know when it was, but to turn off the music, I'm not going anywhere. Some months ago, I watched a little video and it was sent to me by a family friend. She did this moment with you. Her name is Usha Uttup. You all know, okay? And Usha Uttup was asked by young Suhani here to think of someone. And she thought about it. She closed her eyes just as we did it right now. I was not surprised that she was going to get this one. And she said, "You're thinking of someone called Roshan." All right? And Usha started crying. And she said, "I don't know how you figured this out. And she's my best friend. Her name is Roshan. I'm thinking of her because she's not very well right now." And it was a very emotional moment for Usha and for me because Roshan is my sister. And Roshan passed away 25 days ago. So it becomes very emotional for me that my sister's name came up in Usha's head and you guessed it. And here I am, on an emotional note. It's serendipitous. So I'm here. And apart from that, whatever I said about you stays.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being here. And that's true. And he was kind enough and absolutely humble enough. So when the video reached him, he actually dropped me an audio message. And I was like, what? Pramad sir? Like, he was just too kind for you. You made my day that day. Thank you. And today as well. Thank you so much. Give it up for Baman Irani, sir, ladies and gentlemen. For the final last act for the evening, I asked you guys again, I want you to think of some movie or actor or actress, anybody in your mind. Okay, everybody go ahead, think about it in your mind. Okay, anybody here can actually just get up, give the mic to them. Now, what's your name, ma'am?
Meghna.
Meghna, किसके साथ आए हो आप? Your sister. Hi, sister. Do you guys watch movies together? Yes. Do you guys have a favorite movie? Do not tell me. Have an actor in your mind. Could be your favorite, could be random, anything. Join me on stage. Meghna, right? Everybody give it up for Meghna. Come on. Meghna, I want you to sit right here. Meghna, by this time, my audience is very smart. Okay, you guys are, right? सबको पता है मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. What is going to be my first step? Ask her to think in mind. Next is, I will do what I do, which is guess. I want you to close your eyes as I prepare something. Keep your eyes closed. No cheating. भाई मेघना इधर आंखें खोली नहीं कि आपको चिल्ला देना है. ठीक है? You are with me. Meghna should not open her eyes. Okay? Shh, shh, guys. Shh, shh. You guys get it, right? Are you guys ready for this? All of you. Meghna, on my count of 3, I want you to say the name that you're thinking of on the mic, out loud. 1, 2, 3, now!
Amir.
आईच्या गावात आता माझी सटकली. हमें तो अपनों ने लूटा, घरों में कहा दम था. पठानों से कह दो शवान आ रहा है.
Chavan. Chavan. Karan Chauhan. Karan!
झूठ झूठ बर्दाश्त नहीं है मुझे. झूठ बर्दाश्त नहीं है.
Karan. Hero.
वो तो मैं हूँ यार. थैंक्स. मस्त लग रहा ना.
Karan.
हाँ.
उसने आमिर बोला.
उसने आमिर बोला.
उसने आमिर खान बोला.
उसने आमिर बोला.
उसने आमिर बोला.
उसने बोला.
करण मैं 3 बार बोल चुकी हूँ कि उसने आमिर बोला.
उसने आमिर बोला.
उसने आमिर बोला ब्रो.
भगवान अब क्या करेंगे. इतना खर्चा कर चुके हो आप.
बहुत खर्चा.
बहुत बहुत.
अभी क्या करे.
आई एम विमल वो भी देंगे बाद में दोनों को. अच्छा वो वाला. हाँ हाँ वो कर सकता हूँ मैं.
Explain. It'll happen. It'll have a good ending. Don't worry. मेघना, आप कोई भी एक्टर का नाम दे सकते थे, राइट? मैंने नहीं बोला ना आपको ये देने को. किसी मेरे टीम मेंबर ने आपको बोला. आपसे कहीं लिखवाया गया कहीं. दिस इज जेन्युइनली योर चॉइस. 100%.
आता माझी सटकली.
फिर से नहीं सटकाओ मत सर. 1 सेकेंड सर. 1 सेकेंड. काम डाउन. देवी जी काम डाउन. 1 सेकेंड. ओके वे सर 1 सेकेंड. श्योर आमिर.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Karan. That's A M I R. Amir. Ladies and gentlemen, come here. Thank you, Meghna. Thank you so much for doing that.
सीता था जिसके लिए मरता था. तू एक ऐसी लड़की थी जिसे मैं प्यार करता था.
Thank you, sir.
सर काजोल का क्या होगा सर.
अच्छा गावात याद दिला दिया. फिर मेरी मोमबत्ती बुझा दिया.
Give it up for Meghna, everybody. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching आज का हमारा ये क्रेजी शो. फिल्मों की तरह असली जिंदगी में भी नेक लोगों की हमेशा जीत होती है. तो नेक रहिए और जीतते रहिए और देखते रहिए द सुहानी शो.
सब पूछे how she did it है ये मेहनत का नतीजा. बड़े मंच पे लाई मैजिक जो गलियों में कहीं था. She's the queen कर यकीन है ये सुशा का तरीका. दुनिया जादू है ये मंत्र इसने बचपन में ही सीखा. मैजिक की क्या स्पेलिंग भाई. SUHA N-I magic की क्या spelling भाई S-U-H-A N-I magic की क्या spelling भाई S-U-H-A N-I magic की क्या spelling भाई You know it